Hey guys, this is David Whalen over at Binghamton Hots, class of 2005 School of Management. Very excited to be part of this year's virtual homecoming. Today we are going to give you a little demonstration on how to cook our Hots burger, probably our most popular menu item. With that, we'll give it to the guys in the kitchen.
How's it going, everyone? Joe down here at Binghamton Hots. We're going to be showing you how to make slider sauce today. You can use a lot of different measurements and ingredients on how you want to make your burger sauce, but traditionally and standardly, you're going to start with a cup of mayonnaise, quarter cup of ketchup, and an eighth a cup of mustard. Pickle brine, white vinegar, and we have black pepper, cayenne, and garlic powder for seasonings. Step one, we're going to be taking our base, which is mayonnaise, and adding it in. Then we'll be adding in our mustard, and then finally our ketchup. You're going to then incorporate all ingredients until you get almost like a beige color. Next, we're going to be adding our acid components, which is a tablespoon of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons pickle brine. This is going to help give it that nice bite to your sauce and also help loosen it so it's not too thick when applying. And now we're going to add our seasoning to give it that little bit of extra flavor. This sauce is really, really good on top of burgers, but I also enjoy it on top of fries.
Hi, I'm Jay, and today we're going to be making the Hots burger. So first, we start with 2 3.5 ounce patties. So we just weigh these out on a scale as such. So we're going to cook the patties now. I like to flatten my patties to create a better cooking surface. So we just flatten them out really nice. Keep them kind of packed in, and we place them there. They stay on one side for about a minute, minute and a half. All beef must be cooked to 165 internal temperature. This blend is an 80-20 blend ground chuck. It's a little bit on the leaner side. So after they're browned on one side for about a minute, flatten them out. Not too hard, because you don't want to press them to the point where they get stuck to the grill. And in the event that they do, you just take a spatula here. You can add whatever you want to keep them from sticking. I usually like to cook them direct heat without any non-stick because they make for a better browning surface. Probably press them. So we press them for about 30 seconds once they're turned, and then we turn them once more, and then we'll just leave it on there for another 30 seconds. So after our burgers are done, we're gonna take 2 slices of cheese and melt them appropriately over the burger. And the cheese should melt in about 20 to 30 seconds. If you need to, we can always cover it for about 10 seconds. We'll just let it finish naturally. Okay, so the toppings we're going to use for this burger are lettuce, 2 slices of tomato, 3 slices of onion, and 4 pickles. We mixed our slider sauce earlier on today, so I'm going to show you our burger setup now. So our burger setup is sauce first, so we just do a little round there, and then we add our lettuce. Then after our lettuce is our pickle. And then on the top half of the bun, we have our onion. And then last but not least, our tomato. Finally, we add our burger. And this is the Hots burger.
All right guys, we hope you enjoyed that. Next time you're in town, please stop at Binghamton Hots and give it a try in person. Enjoy the rest of virtual homecoming week. Go Bearcats!